Hello everyone, my colleague here from the reviewer. So I have actually received this review unit from Vivo Malaysia. So this is the latest Vivo V50 co-engineered with this. The one I have here is actually Ancora red, or you can call it rose red. Okay, so it looks very gorgeous. Okay, and it's actually co-engineered with this. Okay. Vivo V50 is a 5G model. So let's unbox it. Okay, so this is the phone itself. Alright, you can look at it. Okay, this is the Ancora red. It's very gorgeous. Okay, I'll just put it here first. So inside the box, of course, you have the standard manual, quick start guide, the manual, and you have the casing. Okay, that gives you the casing. You have the charger. So actually this is the fast charger from Vivo. So you can fast charge your phone. Okay, the output is actually very high. So it's 100 to 120 volt. And then you have your charging cable Type C, and then your SIM card injector. Okay, that's all in the package itself. So back to the phone. This Vivo V50 actually is an ultra slim 4D infinity curved screen. Okay, so it has immersive viewing experience. This Ultra actually is co-branded with Zeiss Professional Portrait. Okay, it's a professional portrait flagship. The phone actually has a 6000 mAh blue volt battery, a 90 volt fast flash charge, ultra slim design, ultra fast and ultra powerful. Okay, so the phone is also IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance, so you can actually take photo under the water, so you can do underwater photography. Okay, and it's also a top rated dust resistance phone. So it is actually preloaded with Fun Touch OS 15. Okay, so you have all the smart statistics and smooth running of the OS of FOS 15. Okay, it's a redesigned version of the phone, so it's ultra slim viewing experience. So this phone actually comes in 3 colors. Okay, you can see this is the Ancora red, okay, or the rose red. Then you have the black, okay, and then also you have the blue. Okay, so there's 3 colors: red, black, and we call it actually a mist purple. Okay, satin black, mist purple. Okay, so the phone actually have dual ring camera module. It's actually balanced and elegant. What I like is actually these, the lights itself. Okay, I will show it to you how it works. So in the photo, okay, so you have the aura light. Okay, so this aura light is actually very good for selfie, turning on the lights for selfie usage. Okay, and the photo is actually very clear and nice. Watch this. You see, the image is sharp, clear, nice. Okay, so the Vivo V50 actually has 50 megapixel Zeiss Group selfie camera, 9 to 2 inch wide angle autofocus. Then you have also a 50 megapixel Zeiss OIS main camera and a 15 megapixel Zeiss ultra wide angle camera. So this phone really is built for photography. So the most powerful feature is the Zeiss camera. Okay, this phone also comes with an AI raised 2.0. Okay, the camera itself is so good that it actually allows very clear night photography. Okay, it's color adaptive border. The phone images that was taken is very clear. Okay, it has smart multi lighting. okay, AI 3D studio lighting, and the bokeh of this phone is marvelous. So it allows for AI Aura Light Portrait 2.0, ultra soft bright tones. So it is a very nice phone to have, and it's suitable, to be taken for vacations, even for normal daily use. It's a marvelous and excellent phone. I would highly recommend you guys to have a look in this phone, okay, and drop by to your nearest Vivo dealers, or even you can contact Vivo Malaysia if you're interested. Go through their website, okay. There are 3 colors that you can choose from, and that's all for now from the reviewer, okay. If you'd like to see more, like and subscribe, leave a message, okay. We will review more phones in the future. Thank you everyone.